Our next author is here reluctantly, as he uses the pseudonym Harry Brunch. Honestly, his previous works have not been selling as well, as they are shelved in the erotica and X-rated sections of bookstores. In an effort to get his books from the Dewey Decimal 800.001 section of the library more noticed, Harry Brunch has taken a new form of writing to get his newest book closer to the 821.3 section, known for English poetry from the Elizabethan period. Here to read from Thy Birds and Mine Bees, Harry Brunch.
Dana? Question?
Yes, Harry.
Is this show always so random?
Get to it, Harry.
Okay. Before I begin, I just thought we should set some boundaries. I don't use a particular word, but I do use green, yellow, and red. And then if you can't speak, 2 taps for yellow and 3 taps for red.
I think this is gonna be fine. Just go ahead. Thank you, though.
Thank you. This first one is a sonnet entitled Friends with Beneficials. Thy beauty is a Venus flytrap, goddess of love, morning star to the sun. Thy pungent nectar sticky, flowing sap, doth draw the twitching fly till he's undone. A garden grand, with bush displayed in front. Thou needest not weed, for none dare be so bold. Labor me vexeth not, though thy groan and grunt. Let us sow seed within thy muddy fold. As thy fair cherry blossoms, I turn brute. We dig full deep, as doth the stout backhoe. As rotten groves, our loins must not bear fruit. Time to retrieve my tool. Lo, get back, hoe. The gate is shut. Thy song too Cupid doth be. Thou clingest too much. Thou art English ivy. Dana? Question?
Yes, Harry.
Are you dressed as Puck
Yes, Harry, I touched on that.
from A Midsummer Night's Dream?
Yes, Harry.
Cool. This next one is a sonnet called Let's Make a Playful Place. Clear the land and make way for thy queendom. Tend, though the fertile space doth the toil be rough. Do thou the edging and rake the back. Come. As I tap root, remove thy boot. Enough! I crave not thy artichokes, for the art of choking may turn a purple visage, mayst turn thee to that of vegetable heart. So sweet from thy words of safety I shan't budge. A dead oak as sacred as Mother Church. Damn the saints, let us make St. Andrew cross. Let limbs lie where they may, whilst we do search. For switches, thou and I shall prove who's boss. In turns, we'll sweat through pain, nor shall we stop working our garden from bottom to top. Dana?
Yes, Harry.
Question? Are there children in the audience?
No.
This next one is a sonnet called Polycultures for the Birds. This book has a horticultural theme. This one's more about a bird bath. Have you ever installed a bird bath?
No.
It's a lot of work. Birds bathe. Thy nest hath known a cockatoo. Swift and swallow. After the woodcock comes, like craftsmen bent to hammer, drive, and screw, they lay long dripping pipe, the workman plumbs. Dost get thy beak wet as thy goose and geese? Thee supper, plucked and preened, thou art well trimmed. Yet fishing foul birds bring not my cod piece. Fins finish with finesse, be not timid. I hold the cock, thou cluckest and cuckest the hold. Thy pointed words pierce not, I am thick-skinned. Sirens singing sling shame, I am controlled. Playing with myself, a solo woodwind. But as I hoped we might flock together, a raptor's rapture wrapped round and tapped her. Dana,
Yes.
question?
Can I say no?
I just wanted to make a statement.
But why does it keep going up at the end? Go ahead.
Some things take a lot of people to accomplish. This next one is a sonnet. It's the last one.
Okay.
Not in the book, but for tonight's show. I hope you all look for my book, Thy Birds and Mine Bees, in your local bookstore and or library and purchase it. This last one is a sonnet, as I mentioned earlier, and it's entitled, Love Takes Work. Remove thy top dressing, go seize the spade, as cold moves Mother Nature to heaving. Let us take joy in the bed we have made. We'll toil day and night and shan't be leaving. From soft wood unto hardwood, all things grow. Thrust naked seed into the teeming loam. So drenched are we as if a hose did flow. I shall eatest thou out of house and home. We'll run the gamut, dusk till break of day, from ferns Dixonia flaccida to the sweet-smelling herbal labia te, succulents and fruits, flowers and bamboo. With every tool, be it spade, trowel, or axe, we'll bring this bedding to a budding climax. Thank you. I hope you like my poems, and I hope you buy my book of poetry.
Harry Brunch, everybody.